Have you heard the news? Luxo Living is having their very first warehouse sale Saturday, 6th of April at 10 a.m. Let's show you some of the bargains you'll be finding there before and after prices of what you can find here. Our Tasha Boucle 2-seater sofas usually retail for $679. We've got them here at our warehouse sale for as little as $200 each. Our Cash Velvet Daybeds retail for $449. At our warehouse sale, you'll find them here for $200. We've got them both available in cream and in black. Cornelia Bunk Bed retails for $969. But at our warehouse sale, you'll find it here for as little as $600 and it's built. All you have to do is come and collect it. Our Beckia outdoor set here is $869, currently out of stock, but in our warehouse sale we have them available and for as little as $600, again, all built, ready to be picked up and taken home. We even have our Darren Velvet office chairs for $209, down to $100 at our warehouse sale. We have plenty available, so get in quick to get yours now. You'll also be able to find our Erith Wicker outdoor furnished daybed with canopy. You can find this at our warehouse sale for as little as $600, ready to be picked up and taken home. So make sure to pick yourself up some bargains, otherwise you will regret it. Saturday, 6th of April from 10 a.m, we're open.